Hello everyone, and welcome to another enlightening episode of Growth Mindset Company. Before we dive into the complexities of Clause 13.1, also known as the right to vary in the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999, I have some fantastic news for you. If you're the kind of person who loves to delve deep into the details, you're in for a treat. Alongside this audio guide, we have comprehensive notes, case studies, and expert insights available on our website, wisdomwaveshub.com. These resources are designed to give you a complete understanding of today's topic and many more related to FIDIC contracts. And the best part? The link to these invaluable resources is provided right in the description below. So, if you're serious about mastering the world of FIDIC contracts, make sure to click that link after this episode. Now, let's get started with unraveling the intricacies of Clause 13.1.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Wisdom Waves Hub. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that's crucial for anyone involved in construction contracts, Clause 13.1, also known as the NQUAT, right to vary, NQUAT, from the FIDIC Yellow Book 1999. Let's start by understanding what Clause 13.1 is all about. This clause is a provision that allows the engineer to make changes or variations to the project. These changes can range from altering the design to changing the type of materials used. It's important to note that these changes should not compromise the integrity, safety, or quality of the project. This clause is a cornerstone in FIDIC contracts, and understanding it can save you from a lot of potential disputes. So, why is Clause 13.1 so important? Well, it sets the ground rules for making changes to the project. It outlines who has the authority to initiate changes and under what circumstances. For example, if you're the contractor, you need to be prepared to adapt to these changes while maintaining the project's quality and timeline. On the other hand, if you're the employer, you need to understand that any changes you request could have cost and time implications. Now, let's talk about the implications of this clause. The implications are far-reaching and can affect both the contractor and the employer. For instance, if the engineer initiates a change in the type of materials to be used, the contractor must adapt to this change without compromising the project's quality. This could mean sourcing new materials, which could, in turn, affect the project's timeline and cost. Therefore, it's crucial for both parties to understand the implications of this clause fully. One of the most interesting aspects of Clause 13.1 is how it interacts with other clauses in the FIDIC Yellow Book. For example, it works closely with Clause 13.2, which focuses on NQUAT, value engineering, NQUAT, allowing the contractor to propose changes that could benefit both parties. It also interacts with Clause 13.3, which outlines the NQUAT, variation procedure, NQUAT, providing a framework for how variations are to be valued and executed. Understanding these interactions is essential for a comprehensive understanding of how variations are managed in a FIDIC contract. Let's move on to some real-world instances and case studies. In one example, during a road construction project, the engineer initiated a variation to change the type of asphalt used due to new environmental regulations. This change was governed by Clause 13.1, and all parties had to adapt accordingly. In another case, during the construction of a high-rise building, the engineer initiated a variation to change the design of the building's facade. This change had implications on the project's cost and timeline and was managed using Clause 13.1. In conclusion, understanding Clause 13.1 is essential for anyone involved in a FIDIC contract. It sets the stage for how changes can be made to the project, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and minimizing potential disputes. So, whether you're a contractor, an employer, or even a legal advisor, a deep understanding of this clause is invaluable. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Wisdom Waves Hub. If you found this information helpful, please consider sharing this audio file with others who might benefit. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe.
Do not forget, head over to our website, wisdomwaveshub.com, where you'll find detailed notes, case studies, and expert commentaries that complement what we've discussed today. It's a treasure trove of information designed to give you a 360-degree understanding of FIDIC contracts.